say crap. As here we go, as little Timmy batting up now as the Cowboys owner. Let's see what he can do, and no pitches. He's throwing his fake pitches right here. Let's see what he can do. First pitch of the game. And
he's throwing the weird pitches.
Safe. Pretty great hit from little Timmy. His record is 1-1, as the North Dakota Blizzards is 0-1 too. Let's see what they can do, and that's a toss. Read it. Let's see, and this is gonna keep going, and that is toss.
Yeah.
Straight into it. See.
Can you turn the music off now?
I got you.
We're done.
No, I'm not shading yet, and that's ball.
Whoa, what happened?
Good day. Yeah.
Wait, I want to see something. Oh, bro, that's affecting it.
I
Let's go.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, let's go, Cowboys.
That's a ball, 2-0 count now. See, and that's in there. Oh! Ground rule double. A ground rule double. That is great kicks.
Second and third.
And ball.
I'll straight down the middle, but okay.
Ball. 1-1 now.
Angel Hernandez.
And that's strike.
Angel Hernandez.
1-2
Angel
now.
Hernandez.
And that is
Bro, does bro not realize?
gone. He went over. That is gone. He can't go over, but
Yo, I swear, if one
hey,
person
we're recording right
Is this
now.
a league game?
We're recording right now.
Yeah, this is a league.
He's hyping it up.
I'll watch.
He's hyping it
Here, let me
up.
commentate a little bit, even though I'm not recording.
Hey.
Well, tell me to hit.
Whoa! I gotta speak with you. Yeah, imagine.
I am not getting team move. Can I ask you something? Sonic Otter, we're gonna go to court with him. Invite him real quick, and we're gonna go to court after the game. I will be the judge. Bro,
Yo, Kool-Aid Ma, turn it.
Right now. Get on the mound. Yeah, get on the mound. Bro,
Yeah,
get on the mound.
man.
Here we go now. Listen me up to, and that's a toss.
Oh,
And
toss.
redo. Toss is a redo, and that is under.
Well, and then quick pitch.
Under.
Let's say, and that's ball.
Yo, one more person joins.
Hey, everybody
I'm gonna plug us in the room
chant.
real quick.
Who's gonna win?
Oh, what did I do?
Let's go. Dakota
Oh
Blizzard.
God, you're recording.
Cowboy.
Oh my god.
And let's see.
Bro, I can't pay
Don't worry,
attention.
don't worry. Just
Right
don't
there,
worry.
man.
And that's gone! Making it.
Get out, ball. Yeah, get by, ball.
What's the score?
Let's go.
Let's
go.
No, what inning are y'all in?
Yeah, he had a grounder.
I had a runner on first.
You had a runner on first.
Let's see.
No, because that's two run home runs. That's
Yeah,
two
it's
home
2
runs.
home run. Yeah, that's two.
Alright, 3 run homer. This is the
Hit it to me, Daddy. Hit it to me, Daddy, Cowboy.
Is Camp RR recording? Oh my god. Yay.
You got 2 more grounders, by the way.
Hit it to me, Daddy.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna turn off my
I'm
notifications.
definitely muting everybody. Let's see.
No, bro, I actually just.
And that's gone!
Alright, the core is coming up.
Goodbye, baseball, you mother.
Are you recording?
Hey, turn that off. No, I'm turning them off.
What inning are y'all in? What inning?
Hey,
Oh my god, it's not 7, it's 6.
Hey, he got
Hey,
What's wrong with you? Sorry, Bell. What's wrong with me?
He has a flag!
yo, take that shit off. Hey,
Hey, everybody cheer!
Dick,
Get loud! And that's wrong!
Wait, can you? I can't really hear you. Say what inning we're in. What inning? Second? Bro, raise your hand for the second inning.
Bro, he's lagging and making me
Okay, it's the second inning. Top of the second.
turn this off.
lagging.
No, it's not. It's
this showcase of RRML versus Sonic will be after this game.
And here we go, and that's the ball.
What did I
Top
do?
prospect of today. Huh?
Sorry. For the court thing, can I be like a...
Everybody. I'll tell you who I give up to me for after this game. Let's go. Here we go now, Sam.
Bro, I can't pay attention.
Everybody. Okay, this is Here we go, and let's see what he can do. And that is caught. Great catch from Sam. Okay, 8 now. And fouled off. The worst team in the league so far is the Bombhawks, 1-3. Embarrassing team. Embarrassing.
Yeah, I'm not even trying.
Grounded, he's
I'm not even
safe.
trying today.
And Sam, pretty great here. He's been doing great, and that's caught. Look at Sammy, he's pretty good at the game. New Cowboys owner fouled off. He's actually a top prospect of today. Solid in his later performance, and that's in there. He's safe. One more grounder left, and that is going to be a run, and that's a run right there. Set in.
Wait, what? No, that's one more grounder left.
Oh,
That's one more grounder. Hey, what do you mean he scored?
I'm an idiot.
He didn't score, he didn't score.
And that's foul off. Close though. Pretty close to that. And fouled off.
Come on.
And the flag is going in. Go Blizzards. That hit ground. He's safe. As a run scored. Let's see what he can do. And that's gone. Grand slam.
Let's go, Grand Slam.
5-8. And this is pretty good. And that is... That's a redo. Because one ground is redoing, if you have another one that's out. Yeah, so it's redo. So,
No, shouldn't it? No, wait, time. No, bro, you should change the rules. It should be...
because I can't
It should be... No, it should be foul and... It should be redo, foul, and then out.
No,
That's strike 3. What? No, I hit that.
And caught.
I want to wave it.
Hey, wait, what happened to my run?
Yeah, 5-8 now. Ball.
Let's go.
See what he can do. Can he throw a strike? And that is fouled off. 1-1 now. 1-1 count now. Chant is going on in the stands. Fouled off. Foul ball.
Whoa! Okay.
Let's wait for it. Oh, there you go. Sam.
Well, it was fun, man. It was fun. Got a good Blizzard fan.
And that's grounded. Oh. Riddle Chicken, top prospect of North Conference. Pretty good. Bro is actually doing his best on the field. That is gone.
Wait, what happened? Wait, no, but what was he doing?
That's still gone.
Wait, no, bro, I wasn't ready. What were you doing?
That's gone.
No, bro, I wasn't ready.
Oh, my bad. Redo. I'm sorry, redo.
I was pitched it already. Yeah, I pitched it, but then he flew over straight in the middle and did something with the right button.
Come on.
Ball.
Come on, Cal.
1-0 right now. And fouled off. 1-1.
I thought there was no outs. There's no outs. Wait, why does he have 9?
Oh, it keeps changing because the ball glitches. It keeps changing.
Oh, come on. Yeah, okay.
And 4 points away. If home can come back, it is top 3. So let's see what he can do.
And
go Blizzard.
How many points? Wait, top 3rd? It's top 2nd.
Because he already played top 2nd.
Go. Cal.
It's top 2nd. No, bro, I only batted once.
You
only batted once. No, we haven't, bro.
We already played top 2nd. You batted, and then you got out, and then you got out.
No, we didn't.
And then
It's top 2nd.
that, he hit 8 dingers.
What does he say?
What
did he say? It's top 2nd.
And then after
2
that,
against
it was
1.
bottom 2nd.
2 against 1.
Top 2nd. It's top
2
2nd.
against 1. 3 against 1.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Top
I
2nd.
keep getting that for some reason. It's so weird. Grounded, he's safe.
Do I add 4? I add 4, right?
That's a grounder.
That's a run. That's a run. And foul off. 0-1 count now. And North Dakota
Maybe
is
I could
getting
catch that. I don't know.
smashed on. This is not great, and this is gone. Out of here.
Yeah, let's go, bro.
That's
Let's
out
go.
of here. That is gone.
No, I'm gonna get rid of it after.
Go Blizzard. This is now here. Go Blizzard.
Get that out of here. Stop adding.
Boo.
Oh my. Just
Get it out,
bro. Get it out.
Just put it over the
I'm
stadium.
getting mad at freaking DJ here.
And that's a redo. That's a redo. Because that was your last ground you used. And that is caught. Great latency catch.
That's your hand. That's your hand.
Arguing catch of the day, and that is caught.
Latency catch.
That's small.
That is latency.
I caught it. I caught it.
Oh! I went through him!
Whoa.
And it's safe.
Foul. Out. Let's go.
Grounder, and he's safe. Second grounder.
Were you just?
Oh, they didn't score anything. Oh my god.
It keeps changing.
Just about to say
And line drive, he's safe.
jumper.
Bases loaded.
Line drive, he's safe. Then scores. He has one more grounder left. There's two more.
Wait, no, that's 7. That's 7. That's 7.
Oh no, that's not 7.
Yes, 7.
6, 7.
Oh my god.
That's caught. That is game.
Top third. Wait, top third. What? It's top third. It's top third.
That is not a game. That's
Bottom
top
second.
3rd.
Now it's top
Top
third.
3, yeah, top 3.
I don't know what's wrong with this guy.
It's either Angel Fernandez or I don't know. Okay, now if you're doing that, I'm going.
He's safe.
I will permanently
this up,
ban
bro. I gotta
you
do a
from PayPal
score.
Park, man.
Dude, stop burping, bro. What is
Oh,
his
ball.
word?
Strike!
That's
He's
strike.
fine.
I didn't swing.
That's strike. Grounder, he's safe.
Bases loaded. Bases loaded. Bases loaded.
Hey, that's your fourth
Oh,
rounder.
that's it. That's
That was my
it.
third. That was my
That's
third.
it. Scored it. It's
No.
What?
Oh, wait, yeah. Unscored, though.
Goal!
Oh my god, what is wrong with these buttons?
It's just the 18. That's run rule, right?
That's not ground rule. That's that.
Did I win?
They did not hit. Never hit ground. And caught. Switch.
That's one, right?
No!
Let's see what it can do. And that is grounded. He's safe.
I didn't mean to go off of shoot.
Gone!
No!
That's a
no.
switch.
What was that?
Foul, that was foul.
What?
That's caught. 1 out. 9 to 18.
One more out and I win.
That's caught.
Let's
Dead.
go,
Oh,
yeah, let's go.
I won.